Let's move on to question number 4 from exercise 7.4. In that problem, we are given a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. For this, we have to show angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. So let's check the conditions we are given. Here we have a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. For this, we have to prove first angle A is greater than angle C and second angle B is greater than angle D. In order to prove these two statements, we have to do a construction, that is to join A to C and B to D. Let's start with proof of first statement. Here we observe the triangle ABC in which AB is smaller than BC. This we are given because AB is the smallest side. That's why the angle opposite to this side we have smaller than the angle opposite to this side. It means angle ACB is smaller than the angle BAC. Let this be the inequality first. Similarly, in triangle ADC, as AD is smaller than CD, this we are given because CD is the longest side. That's why the angle opposite to this side we have smaller than the angle opposite to this side. It means angle ACD is smaller than the angle DAC. Let this be the inequality second. On adding these two inequalities, we get angle ACB plus angle ACD less than angle BAC plus angle DAC, where angle ACB plus angle ACD, their sum completes angle BCD. So this sum we could replace by angle BCD, and angle BAC plus angle DAC, their sum completes the angle BAD. So this sum we could replace by angle BAD. Hence this inequality becomes angle BCD is less than the angle BAD. Or you could state that angle at A is greater than the angle at C. That's proved. Let's move on to proof of second statement. Here we observe the triangle ABD in which AB we have smaller than AD. This we are given because AB is smallest side. That's why the angle opposite to AB we have smaller than angle opposite to AD. It means angle ADB is smaller than angle DBA. Let this be the inequality first. Similarly, in triangle BCD, in that triangle we have BC is smaller than CD. This we are given because CD is the longest side. That's why angle opposite to this side we have is smaller than angle opposite to CD. It means angle BDC is smaller than the angle DBC. Let this be the inequality second. On adding these two inequalities, we get angle ADB plus angle BDC less than the angle DBA plus angle DBC, where angle ADB plus angle BDC, this completes the angle ADC. So this sum we could replace by ADC, and angle DBA plus angle DBC, their sum completes the angle ABC. So this we could replace by angle ABC. Hence this inequality becomes angle ADC is less than the angle ABC. Or we could state that angle at B is greater than the angle at D. That's proved.